Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. The basic components of learning English. What are the three basic components of learning English language? Okay, word power. The basic components of learning English language: word power, pronunciation, and grammar structure. What do you mean by word power? Any language we learn, we speak, we understand, we read, we write, we use words. That means word power is our actual strength in speaking language, in speaking English language also. As many as words we can learn, so that will be very much helpful for us speaking language. So make sure that we should be having habits of learning new words every day, because word power is our actual strength in speaking English language. Any language we learn, we speak, we read, we write, we understand, we use words. If we know words, easily we can speak, we can understand, we can read and write also. So words are very important in any language, whatever language we might be learning, and it requires for learning English language also. If we know the words, we can speak language. If we don't have words, we can't. Second thing is called pronunciation. After learning words, we must be making sure that how do we pronounce them. Pronunciation is very important. If we don't have the right pronunciation, chances are it can lead us into miscommunication. So we must be making sure that we do pronounce the words very correctly, so that whenever we talk to people from around the world, they are easily able to understand what we are talking to them. Pronunciation will be helping us to pronounce the words very correctly. Finally, number 3, grammar structure. Ignoring grammar, we can't learn English, but learning lot of rules of grammar may not help us so much. Finally, we only know the rules of grammar, not English. That shouldn't be happening. So what we should be doing, we must be making sure that we learn the structure and then sentence patterns, how language can be practiced, how it has to be spoken out. So did you understand now the basic components of English language?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Word power, pronunciation, grammar structure.
Okay, Rishi, stand. What do you mean by word power?
If we want to conversate with one another, it requires words, and we should have the habit of learning new words day by day.
Why words are very important?
Words are important to make our sentence very clearly and make sure the people who are talking with us.
Words will help us to speak out. That means we have enough words in that language. Easily we can speak it out. If someone is speaking to us, we can also understand what they are really talking to us. Does it make sense for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sit down.
Pronunciation is very important in English language. If we are doing conversation with anyone, they will understand what we are saying. If we are doing a wrong pronunciation, this will lead to miscommunicate in a conversation. That is why pronunciation is very important in English language, and the people will understand what we are saying.
Okay, very good. Having good pronunciation will help us always to communicate with people from around the world. People will not be miscommunicating us. They will not be misunderstanding us. So the good pronunciation will always lead us in the good communication also. Sit down. What do you mean by grammar structure?
If we know the grammar structure, we can frame sentence easily. For example, if we know tense, we can frame sentence in past, future, and present. We should not ignore grammar, but we should not learn the all rules, because it will not help us in learning any language.
Number 3 is called grammar structure. Ignoring grammar, we can't learn English. But learning lot of rules of grammar may not help us so much. So we should not be wasting our time only for learning grammar rules for learning English. What should we doing? We should be learning some structures, the sentence patterns, how language can be spoken out.
Sentences can help us practicing English language. For example, he is a doctor, he is not a doctor, is he a doctor, is he not a doctor, why is he a doctor, why is he not a doctor.
Task abused, abused, abused. Do, did, done, cried, cried, cried. Fly, flew, flown.
Plays football. He played football. He will play football.
Ask, asked, asked, abuse, abuse, abused, arise, arose, arisen, add, added, added, bath, bath, bathed, boil, boil, boiled, bark, bark, barked, cut, cut, cut.
I am Swastik. I am from Mandi. I am a student of 8th class. I am studying in DAV school in Mandi.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is to playing cricket.
The postman is a useful public person. He puts on a khaki uniform. He wears a cap on his head. He carried a bag. He keeps a letter on his bag. He brings good and bad news. The postman is a very simple fellow. He goes to the post office in the morning. He sorts the duck there. Then he delivers the duck. The postman is very punch in his work. He has few holidays. His work is very hard. People should respect to him.
Let's clap for him.
That was all for today's video. If you like our content, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to be the first one to know when we upload a video. Till then, keep watching, keep supporting our channel. Thanks a lot.